Hey friend, let me take you through Azure's whole world, starting with the cost management and SLAs specifically. Azure has become a powerhouse for enterprises, thanks to the way it handles expenses and guarantees performance. I figured since we've both had our experiences, we could dissect Azure's approach to cost management and SLAs. It's not just about keeping costs low, it's about understanding every cent spent and ensuring business continuity with the help of SLAs. Picture yourself wearing tech-savvy sunglasses on a clear Azure horizon. Let's dive in. Firstly, Azure Cost Management is a multi-layered approach that doesn't just monitor and report expenditures, it's about insight and action. The Azure Cost Management and Billing, for instance, provides you dashboards to view cost allocation and patterns across services. You can see how resources are spent and identify wastage or unnecessary spending in real time. It's like having the bills for your cloud services delivered directly to your door, but Azure doesn't just send them, it also offers suggestions to reduce costs. Then, there's Azure Advisor, a virtual hand of wisdom that sits on top of everything Azure does. It scans your resources and gives you personalized recommendations to improve performance, security, and cost-effectiveness. It's like having an Azure mentor, pointing out areas where you could save more or optimize usage. It's been particularly useful in avoiding costly slip-ups and keeping your setup trim and tidy. Don't forget Azure Budgets, which gives you the power to set limits in your resource consumption. It's like putting a speed limit on your Azure subscriptions and being warned instantly as you approach these boundaries, preventing any mishaps. And with cost alerts, it's like having a guardian angel watching over your budget, ensuring you don't overspend and get into hot water. In terms of service tiers and consumption models, Azure offers a plethora of choices, ensuring you only pay for what you